shared vision of a community gathering that showcases the opportunities that San Martin has to offer, that San Martin Airport. But our vision really extended beyond just the food and certainly the aviation. We wanted to make a difference in our community, which is why this event also served as a means to raise money for our scholarship foundation. It is our hope that this event will bring us all together and brings us together from certainly different walks of life to share good food, great company, and a spirit that defines us all here in the South Valley. And it's through events like this that we strengthen our bonds that unite us and honestly forge connections throughout our lifetime. I'd like to introduce my co-host, Nikki Britton.
Hi! Thank you for that warm welcome. Well, just like Joe said, thank you guys so much for being here. This was something we really wanted to do, to just bring the community together, to see what a wonderful resource this airport is, and to keep it here for as long as we possibly can. We're going to have a lot of fun stuff today. We have airplane flyovers, some flybys. We're going to have the national anthem here pretty soon with the color guard, as well as a flag tribute, a flag jumper that's going to be landing right back here just about as soon as we're done. A lot of cool airplanes are going to be coming in. Just make sure to pay everybody a visit, especially if you see this big airplane over here on the far side. That airplane's going to be able to fly itself one day, so actually it probably already can. So go check that one out. Also, big thank you to our volunteers and everybody that's here today that is with their airplane, food truck, the cars, everybody, fire department, just visit everybody. And also, after all of that stuff later this afternoon, our SCAPA scholarship winners, we have two really wonderful young ladies who are receiving our aviation scholarship this year that are going to be getting their scholarship. So, either way, thank you guys so much for coming, and I hope you have a good time.
I'd like to introduce the Mayor of Gilroy, Mayor Marie Blankley.
Yes, this is fun. I am just here to show pride. Pride in our community, pride in all of the people and organizations that do stuff like this, right? To get us out, to show us what's here in our own communities. Please check out all of the booths and organizations that have come to show you who they are and what they do, and all of the work and efforts that's done by so many people. The Gilroy Rotary Club has got a wine garden over across the driveway there. So there's lots of food, there's lots of drink, and just most importantly, community. Keep in mind that this airport has been here a very long time.
I'm allergic to bees.
It supports all of us here in South County, and it's a resource that I think sometimes, unless you're in aviation yourself, you forget is here. The educational benefits, the inspiration, I think, for the kids, so much is here. So thank you all for coming. And
oh, here's a bunch.
Go Joe, go Nikki, go Gilroy, San Martin, and Morgan Hill at the San Martin Airport.
See that, Joe?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mayor. All right, we're going to have a presentation of colors by the color guard. Color guard.
Good, decent.
Wait for the colors! Colors! Halt! Right! East! Set! Colors!
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous
coming here shortly.
Can I have all your attention to the sky? We've got a flyby coming from an L-39.
Very cool. Nice, right?
It's getting warm, eh?
Thanks, guys. See you in a bit.
Yeah, let's go see what's up.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the festivities. We got more coming up in about an hour. I'll keep you informed.
That stuff.
What?
He lives for that stuff.
Oh. Why don't you go say hi to him now?
Huh?
Why don't you go say hi to him now?
I think you'll all recognize this song once it starts up from the Eagles. Enjoy.
Yeah, I think you were thinking about getting a Super D. Hey, hi.
Hi, how are ya?
Hi.
We flew
Didn't I
in.
see you? In the Super D?
Yeah?
Yeah.
And the yellow.
Nice. You guys come from Southern, right? No?
No,
Instead of Paula.
Oh, that's what I thought. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for coming
he
out.
thought he was going to be able to fly it this year in Barango, but
Oh no, I wasn't. I wasn't
you didn't go
planning on.
either?
No.
Oh.
I literally had this plan.
this
so
is like,
it's taken
what a
heck of
great
lot
little
of time.
airport.
I know.
Yeah. You see my game bird? Yeah. Come
Seen
on.
it on
show
that.
Are you flying
Yeah.
it today?
No.
I've seen you posting all the time. But you're flying it every day, aren't you?
So it's 100% carbon fiber.
Yeah.
It's a monocop design. So everything is, there's no metal, there's no tubes, there's no, none of that. I picked all the colors.
I followed you over the bill.
Yeah. Yeah, plus 10, minus 10. Yeah, plus 10, minus 10. V&E is 235.
What are you gonna come out flying?
Oh, I'm going to compete in indoor. Yeah.
Need me there?
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. Yeah. You guys want to see it?
Yeah,
Come on.
How you doing? My name is Jasper.
Hi, Joe. It's 100% carbon fiber monocop.